How to change Instagram video thumbnail after posting. First of all, launch Instagram. Sign in to your account. Navigate to profile at bottom right. Now from your feed, choose a particular video in which the thumbnail you wanna change. Suppose if this is one. Now choose three dots from this post and select edit. On the video itself, you will see the edit button at bottom left. Choose that. And here you can easily choose from add, or you can easily choose from your camera roll, or you can easily choose the profile image from this existing video. So let's choose from camera roll. As you can see that we have added, now tap on down button at top right and select the check mark at top right. And when you come across your profile feed and check the same video, you'll be able to see that we have changed the Instagram video thumbnail after posting. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.